It is the most difficult thing to really measure value. So the value can be measured in terms of customer, that how much our customers are getting the business. And it can be also looked at how much of the cost customer is saving. So the last year when we embarked on this time to lead journey, all of you spent a lot of time thinking about the work which you are doing in the organization, the work which you're doing for your customers, and you brought a lot of ideas. And I think if you look at the organization number, it was around 6,300 ideas which came in. The industry is changing so fast that we are not going to be doing the similar thing which we have been doing. Arvind mentioned that we are not going to have testers, we're not going to have developers, we're not going to have program managers or project managers. We'll have a person who's doing a piece of work, and all these elements will be clubbed together. That's what we're calling it as a stack. So in this word, it is not going to be how I can add engineering value, which we talked about, the value in terms of quality, in terms of timeliness, in terms of organizing things better, because we are very, very good at that. Now we have to shift gear. We have to look at how we can add value in terms of revenue improvement for our customers. That is the most important aspect of our value creation.